have 3 projects I want to share with you guys this evening. They are so very different from one another, so let's just go see what's up with them. I'm Lesa, this is NFT Rex. Let's go. Okay, so let's start with this one. This one has possibly the least hype behind it of the 3, but still does not lack hype at all. It is Hype project, so you are still very early for this one. No Discord or anything yet, but there are already 15k followers, but the engagement for the things they do is pretty big, and especially for these videos, they have quite a few videos on their Twitter telling about what they have to offer. So this is definitely a metaverse. It's gonna be a city, Heim, and yes, definitely keep it on your radar. And the next one, of course, will be Slotopia. Yeah, so Slotopia is a 3,333 slots, granting you access to exclusive alpha community utilities and vibes, minting in May, founded by NFTs and raffle here on Premint XYZ. So definitely I will leave a link down below. They have 18k, almost 19k followers on Twitter, and engagement is mostly what they say or what they post on Twitter pretty decent, but I did not find much more information here on Twitter, but there is a lot more information on Discord, so let's go there. 10k people on Discord, 18k people on Twitter, and mint price will be 0.5 ETH. 1000 whitelists still to be given away. I like it about them, they're pretty straightforward. They just say our goal is to give to the community as much as possible. From now on we will work full-time on the growth of this community, collaborations with other projects, EOAs and utilities to ever remember. So this project is just about the community, not much more other than that. Now let's take a look at their roadmap. So what have they accomplished so far? So you will be able to stake your slot and earn tokens. So there will be tokens, slot tokens. Passed with no need to do anything. Tokenomics, a token you will get from staking, will be used on purchasing stuff from the marketplace, okay? And the marketplace will allow users to purchase whitelists from other projects, NFTs, raffle tickets, etc. Very, very good. I love it. And the metaverse, there will be a metaverse with the land to build a metaverse for slots where you will be able to play games like hide and seek, battle royale, treasure hunt, and more. Of course, as always, winners will be rewarded. Slots holders will have access to a variety of NFT tools. You will be able to snipe NFTs and make these reveal faster, mass, bid, and more. So these guys, they want to give us everything. They know what an average NFT enthusiast just really wants. We want NFTs, we want OG rolls, we want to snipe all those cool NFT upcoming projects and the metaverse with tokens and all of it. So these guys know what we want and they want to give it to us, all of it. Yeah, so project number 3, Skater Birds. Now biggest fashion is 3,332. This seems to be the new meta, this number. And community birds, humility bigger than hype. Okay, really humble. There are 36,000 people following this project, and it is created by some pretty prominent personalities. So let's take a look at them. She is an engineer, dog father, building the bird. Another person behind this project is Bime. I'm not sure if I pronounce it well, but yes, he is artist and OG collector, and he has a pretty decent following himself, and the art is looking really, really sick. So I'm guessing it is her with all the art. And the last person here, she is a woman in NFT, and she used to work for Zara and Bershka, really big names in the fashion industry, and currently art director building Skatebirds NFT. And not much more to say. There's just a huge hype behind this project, and if you want to get in on their Discord, ring the bell. I will do that myself. Yeah, so 3 projects, in my opinion, all of them with a very serious mooning potential, but we just have to wait and see. I think you need to do your own research, but may the odds be in your favor.